Hey guys, welcome to Blacklisted. Brad here. On today's episode, I'm going to be fixing the eyebrows on my headlights. I recently had the car in the body shop because the garbage can hit the car and got it all fixed. And it's back, but when they unmasked their job, they, they tore up the paint that was across my headlights. It was just that rubber paint, the Duplicolor plasti dip type of stuff. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do it so you can do it on your own vehicles. So I'll show you step by step. So let's do her. All right, so here we go. So this is what happened right here when they pulled off their tape because they had to repaint this grill. There was a damage right here where the garbage can hit. It actually hit here, or actually hit these two spots and right up here on the hood. So the grill and my hood were repainted. I could have done it myself, but I just didn't feel like fucking doing it. So, but what happened now is I did this a couple weekends ago and they tore it. So I'm gonna mask this off, get everything ready to go and start spraying. So hopefully you guys will like this and you can do it on your car. First thing we do is border the old one, because I don't want to have to guess this again. Let's open the hood. And how am I going to do this time? Hopefully that doesn't rest. Push that hard. Now, just want to make sure that you border everything nicely because you just don't want it to get in places you don't want. Oh, I guess I did this in the wrong order. There we go. All right. That is that. So now that it's bordered, I can peel off the old one. So it comes off pretty easy. So I wasn't too shocked when I found out that they tore that off. All right, I'm just gonna skip ahead, get the other side done, and then I'll come back to here and show it getting masked off with paper. All right, the other side's done. I'm gonna start covering this one in paper. I've already got some pieces ripped up, ready to go. Just gonna tape them down. Like overly mask off everything. This stuff is pretty localized while you're spraying it. And one more. There we go. There. That side's ready. So I'm just gonna skip ahead again, get the other side mask, and we'll start spraying. All right, so as you can see, everything's ready to go. It's all masked off. I've already prepped the surface. I just basically just wipe it clean. You know, I don't want to use any abrasives on it because that's, the headlights have been 3M'd. They're smoked, so I don't want to wreck them. But here's the product I'm using. It's called Duplicolor Matte Spray Custom Wrap. And I like this stuff way better than Plasti Dip. What's it called? Easy Peel. It's really good stuff. Originally, this is what I used on my rims, if you guys look back in my videos. But I had an issue with it then because there was just too much slime on my wheels, so it didn't stick, but works great on everything else. All right, so here we go. So your first coat, you apply just a thin coat dusting. You want to just do that because that'll gives it a base for it to stick to. Now I'll let that sit 5 minutes and I'll come back and do another coat. All right, now the second coat, you want to make sure you give it a generous amount now. Just like a good wet coat. And again, we'll leave that for another 5 minutes and do it again. Okay, coat number 3. And the thing is too, is you always want to clean off the nozzle because it, whoop, let's go that way. It focuses. Want to clean off that nozzle in between coats as well because it's just gonna, it'll start to rubberize while it sits there, and you'll go to spray and it'll just blob out on you. You don't want that. All right, that's coat number 3. I think I'm gonna do, I think I might just do one more. Should be good, and then I'll unmask it. All right, last coat. You done with it? All right, clean that out. And the other thing is I recommend that you unmask it as soon as you can. Because if you let this dry, all you're gonna do is, what do you call it here? Because this paint's gonna be on the tape, it's just gonna peel the rubber right up. So you gotta get it while it's wet, or you will not like the results. This side first.
That was missing. We were so scared that no one would listen, 'cause no one else cared. After my dream, I woke with this fear. What am I leaving with?
Alright, I just need to get the bottom one because nothing else is touching. When you pull tape, always really try and pull it right back on itself so it makes a nice sharp cut. I watch a lot of people when they pull tape, they just pull it straight out from their paint job, and that can cause some issues. tape could break, slaps back into your part. Doing it this way, it just takes a lot of the stress off of whatever you've masked off.
I'm strong on the surface, not all the way through. I've never been perfect, but neither have you. So if you're asking me, I want you to know, when my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed.
There we go. All done. It'll dull up, of course, just like the last time. It's just gonna take about an hour. And let's skip ahead to them being dry. All right, guys, so here it is. It's all done. It's not fully dry, it's about 90%. But I just want to get home. I'm a little bit tired. But they're all fixed, back on. They'll dry out a little bit more. They really give an aggressive look to these lights. One thing I didn't like about these headlights is they always seem to be a little bit big. They're quite the big assembly. But doing this really makes them look mean. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Write me anything you guys want in the comments. If you guys want to do things to your Avenger, or you have ideas about even any other cars, let me know. I'll see if I can give you a hand. I'm out of here. Talk to you guys later. Bye.